Hello everyone, this is सौरभ जैन. Here I come with another video. Uh, आज हम करेंगे अगर कुछ हमें फुल नेम को सेपरेट करना है फर्स्ट नेम एंड सर नेम के अंदर, तो इसका बहुत शॉर्ट ट्रिक है. अगर आपके पास अभी मैंने सिर्फ एग्जांपल के लिए 52 लाइन आइटम्स लिए हैं. इफ़ यू हैव 1000 10,000 डेटाबेस, देन कैसे करना है. सो first of all, you come to your first name column here where you want the first name. Just put the first name of first resource, like Matthew. I type Matthew. Okay, फिर कुछ नहीं करना है. Just press Ctrl+E. It's for flash fill. Automatically you will see सारे full first name automatically fill हो जाएंगे. Boom. See Matthew, Baron, Jose, Amit, Camilla, Subbu. Right? Same with surname also. Just put the surname for first resource only. Ja. Then press Ctrl E, or you can see surname are separated automatically. You can do this for middle name as well. Okay, I think you understand what I want to say. This is very short trick you can apply and save your time. You can see the whole Jaipur wall, Roshan Jain, Roshan Jain. See, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share, comment, and follow my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay tuned for further videos.